Hi everyone. My name's Arwen, and well, all this stuff is my collection back here, but I decided I'm gonna start an unboxing channel, so this is gonna be the first video. Sorry for the tapping in the back, that's my dog. I don't know how many blind things I have, but this whole thing's filled, so yeah, let's get started. I don't even know which one I want to choose from. There's so many. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this one. I don't know what this says. Choking hazard. Sorry. I want this one though. Here are the ones: a little doggy, a cat, an otter, a penguin, and I want the beluga whale. Beluga whales are my favorite. So let's see if I can get into this. Oh, well, you know, I never said I was gonna open this perfectly. Oh, it's the Doge. That's actually so cute. How do I get this? Oh, here's my cat Kagome. She wants to see what's up. Look, Kagome. Actually, this is cute. This is a cute little praying doggy. I like that. Okay, this is cute. That's awesome. And I want to open the other one. Let's pray for the beluga whale. These are $7.99. I went to the mall today with my mom, and she let me pick out a whole bunch. I got it! Oh my god! Sorry for the scream, everybody. I just really wanted this one. Beluga whales are my freaking favorite. Oh my god, he's so cute! Okay. I'll just set these off to the side. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look. What is on my hand? Sorry. That's so freaking adorable. I literally told my mom, I was like, oh no. Sorry, I'm knocking things over. You know what, bitch? You stay. Oh, sorry. You stay there. Sorry for the curse word, everybody. Which one should I do next? I'm gonna say this one. I don't want anything to fall. There's so much in here. This is Christmas, but who cares? I think it's cute and it was on clearance. There's a little duck, a cat, a reindeer, and maybe a turtle. I don't know what that is. It was on clearance for $6.97. Oh, it's a dinosaur? Shut the fuck up. I want it. Sorry for my language, but well, sorry, that was not graceful. What is this one? Oh, it's the reindeer. That's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Here's a little bell. He's so cute. Okay, I just went ahead and cut the next two so I wouldn't struggle as much. It's a duck! I thought it was a dinosaur. But this is so cute, the little Santa duck. Aww. Wait. That's awesome. He'll go with the little reindeer over here. I want the dinosaur one. Please give me the dinosaur one. I will pray for the dinosaur one. Oh, I didn't get the dinosaur one, but this one's still cute. It's a little bear, or I think it's a cat. Maybe, I think it's a cat. Oh yeah, it is a cat. Oh, but this is still cute. I wanted the dinosaur one. I love dinosaurs, but it's just a little Christmas tree. That's so cute. Oh, the little hats. This is awesome. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, we'll go over here. Okay, which one should I do next? I kind of want to do this cat one. Is there like an easy way I can open this? Oh, yeah, that's not so bad. That's not too bad. Alright. I don't know what this is. Afamu I butchered that. Meows surprise figure. I was telling my mom I wanted this one. It's a little caramel apple. Look at this little hot dog, that's cute. 8 to collect. Oh yeah, I wanted that one and the little banana split. Sorry, I should have showed you which was on the pack. What is this? Oh, it's a little hot dog one. Oh, look at the little ketchup packet. Stop. That's so cute. Oh my lord. But he's super cute. Sorry, I had to pause for a second. My flashlight. He has a few like black spots, but that's not so bad. He's still super cute. I like him. Look at his little tail. Aww, this is great. Great quality. Super cute. I love this too. Alright, on to the next one. I really do want this one or this one. So let's hope that we get it. Alright. I want this one or this one. Let's see. Oh, it's the little donut one. This is so cute though. This one's still cute. The little stars. It's cute. Oh, there's even Frosty got her tail. That's cute. I love that. Okay. I want to do one of these first. Stitch in costume. There's so many. Oh my god. There's so many. I think I want the Simba one or the Dalmatian one or the Beast one. Wait, what's the difference? I don't know the difference. The little hair top? I don't know. Something. Dang. This is hard to do. Hold on. I gotta pull out the scissors. Okay. Yeah. Want this one? This one or this one? I don't care about either one. Dang. Sorry, I'm not graceful at these. I don't know. Oh, okay, so you really don't know what you're gonna get. Where is, let's see. Oh, it's the bear from, what's it called? The Jungle Book, what's his name? Let's see if I can get a light on. Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. Don't mind the spray bottle over there. Anyways, this is cute. I love this. It's awesome. Alright, naturally I gotta go for this one next. Lilo and Stitch. I want Gumba or Gantu or Jumbo. These are all cute though. Hold on. Trying to get the scissors again. Oh. Sorry if the camera shakes because it's literally attached to me. It's like a neck thing. I don't have a fancy schmancy setup. Sorry y'all. But, you know. it's whatever. I mean, we're all seeing what these are, so. Oh, it's Layla with her camera. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. I love this. This is awesome. She's great. Right next to Stitch you go. Oh, and I have both of them. These are some good ones. We're doing good today. Alright, I think I want to do the Doorables. Oh. Well, it doesn't even tell you. Oh. It doesn't even tell you anything on it. So I really don't know what's about to come in here. Doorables, remember when? Oops. Okay, so there's a Tiana sticker with it. I think the sticker or card, I don't know. It's cute though. Alright, before we open the bags, let's see which one. Oh, there's a lot. Okay. I don't know which one I want. There's so many. I want Kuzco. I want Kuzco. Our Lady. Oh, I got the Sybil one. Oh, wait. Okay. Kuzco or Lady? It's Lady! She's so cute. Look at her. Oh, look. That's awesome. I wanted her. She's so cute. I love her. Alright. And now I'm assuming since the Tiana card was in here, this might be Tiana. Yes! And she's, look at her little gumbo pot. Wait. That's so cute. These are so adorable. I guess that's why they're called Doorables. Because they're so freaking cute. Okay. Alright, cool. Let's see if we can get the next one open like we did the last. Ugh. Well, took some strength, but you know. Oh! We almost lost it. We almost lost it, y'all. It's kind of hot in here. I don't have a backdrop yet. It's literally just my woods. So good thing I'm not filming into like a neighbor's house or anything. Lotso! Is it Lotso? Is that his name? Where's he at? I know he's on here somewhere. It is Lotso. Hell yeah. When he was nice. I wonder what the other one is. I don't know which one I want. Maybe like Judy Hopps. That'd be cool. Oh! He's cute. Hold on. Look at him. He's cute. He's cute. I'll go with the others. Alright. Alright, let's see what the other one is. Let's see. It's Moana! Wait, that's so cute. That's awesome. She got some big feet though. Dang, a lot of details. That's awesome. That's so cute. That's so freaking cute. Get that right there. Okay. Which one should I do? Okay. Let's go with this one. I have like a little... It was on clearance as well. I don't know what this is. Stitch something. 13 to collect. Okay, well, does it have a... Yes, it does. It does. It's still a little pineapple. That's so cute. I love that. This is so cute. Kind of reminds me of SpongeBob. Alright, well, before we look at this, rare. There's a rare one. Oh, stop. These are so cute. Oh, look at the angel one. Wait. These are so cute. I don't know which one I want. The telescope one's really cute. I think I want angel. Or this one or this one. Oh, he's making himself. That's so cute. Okay. Let's see which one I got. The bowling ball one. Wait, this is so cute. Stop. I love him. Oh my god. Okay, he's so cute. Dang. He's come with a lot of detail. And I love Lilo and Stitch. I have a Lilo and Stitch tattoo. I love Lilo and Stitch. Oh no, I knocked the birdie down. Sorry, girl. Okay. Alright, now which one should I do next? Let's go with this one. I don't like this tag. Pray I don't cut myself. Because I would be the one. I'm so clumsy. Y'all don't know me yet, but I'm super duper clumsy. Wait, I haven't seen what's in there yet. But this, sorry, I didn't even show you the box. I'm so new at this. I don't know what that says. I'm not gonna butcher that for y'all. Okay. They're little kitties holding things on a little stand. That one's holding a donut. This one's a little coffee mug. I guess it's like a little bean bun or something. I want the one holding the baguette or the croissant. Those are cute. I like those. Okay. Let's see which one I got. Shut up. Oh, I thought it was a croissant. But this one's so cute, the little coffee mug. Me personally, I don't drink coffee, so I'm gonna say it's a tea mug. Because that's what I want it to be. Oh, look at his little spot down there. This is so cute. Here. Dang, we just went everywhere. Sorry, y'all. Hit the camera. Okay. This is hard to do. Oh. Dang, sorry. I had to really push it in there. Alright. This is Joe. No, since it's not coffee, it's tea now. It's gonna be Chai. This is Chai the cat. And Chai the cat is freaking awesome. They did a lot of detail on this stomach too. Okay, Chai. You're gonna go over here. Okay. I think I want to go with this. I don't know what it is. Infusand? I don't know, it's little kitties. Oh, these are funny. I want this one. I want the squid one. Or that one. I don't like crab or squid, but these are cute. I don't like seafood. Yeah, don't come for me in the comments. Oh, it's the little tempura one. Wait. That's still cute. Oops, sorry, y'all. I keep hitting this camera. Oh, it's a little tempura kitty. I think that's what that is. Tempura. Oh, his little stripes. And his little feetsies. He's so cute. I have a lot of cats. Actually, no, I only have 2. Oh, no, I have kitties over here and that one. Okay. Alright. I kind of want to do this. I don't know what the hell this is. Squish-a-lot? I don't know what a squish-a-lot is. But I don't know. We're gonna find out together, y'all. We're all gonna find out together. And it's in a little house, so that's kind of cute. Can I open it? How do I open this? Oh, there's another thing. You're not paying attention. How do I... I'm dropping stuff. Oh, my lord. Okay, we're back. We're back. Oh, is that Pumbaa? Wait. Is it like a squinky? It's literally a squinky, y'all. Oh, it's a Pumbaa squinky. That's so cute. Let's see. I don't know if I did this right. I don't know. But I managed to get him out of there, so that's all that really matters, right? We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. Okay. We love Bruno. Bruno kind of fun. Is this a boo? Oh my god, my mom's gonna be so jelly. She loves a boo. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I love him. He's awesome. Oh, Abu, I'll come back for you. What is this? Who is this? Wait, is this a dog from Pocahontas? Oh, I don't remember his name. And this thing didn't come with like a manual. Aw, he's cute though, or she? I don't remember. I haven't seen Pocahontas in so... Alright, well. Hades! My mom's gonna be so jelly of this too! I literally told her I wanted this one. I saw it on the package and I wanted it. Oh my god. Okay, well, we got a lot of good Disney stuff. Another Mufusand. I don't know. There's one holding a shark. I love sharks. I love sharks, y'all. I have a whale shark on my arm. That's my whale shark. There's one dressed as a shark holding a sail. I need that one. I need that one. I need that one. Or I need this one. Either one. I need it. 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 Pray. Where is... Oh, I didn't get it, but this one's so cute. It's holding sushi, a little sushi roll, like a little California roll or something. With salmon on its head. Oh, it matches a little tempura kitty. They can sit together. That can be their child. Let's see. Maybe this one. I don't know what that says. Happy done booey. Who? I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is like Hello Kitty or something like Hello Kitty. I don't know, but that guy's pretty cool. Or the dog with the poncho. Oh, Pachaco. I don't know. I don't watch Hello Kitty or something like this, but that's cute. What the hell? Oh, looks like Donald Duck. Y'all, it's Donald Duck. Please don't be offended. Anybody that watches this show or cartoon or I don't know. Pickle. Okay, I'm gonna call him Pickle. Pickle, Donald Duck. He does look like Donald Duck, just without the hat. He's cute. Pickle, Mr. Pickles. For any children that are watching this, don't watch that show. Just a heads up. I don't watch it personally, but it's definitely not for children. And I am an adult, so I can watch it, but don't watch it at home if you're a child. Okay, I kind of want to do this. It's Monster High. I don't know. Monster High potions. Do I have to use like water or some shit for those? Okay. Before we open this, what the hell? Huh? Obviously I want Frankie. Love Frankie. Wait. Is this the old Monster High or the new one? If it's the old one, that's good. I don't think it's the old one. Well, yeah, it kind of looks like the old one. Alright, hold on. Let me go look at this, at these directions, because I can't read it through this camera. Okay, technically, you don't need the water. You can just open it. Oh, whoa. Hold on. I don't know what's in this little thing. What is this? What the hell? Oh my god. These are... Oh, these are really tiny. Okay. Okay. Well. Did I get Frankie? Hold on, I'm gonna set those right there till I figure out where they go. Okay, and instead of unscrew this. Oh. That's just to put the water in there. This is what you really have to do. I got Frankie! See, you didn't need to put all that. I'm not making a mess, okay? I'm not doing that. Aww. She's cute. Oh, look at her. She's a little cutie patootie. She's rocking her hairstyle. I think you put these little things in there. How about you put the heart on her little... See, that's cute. That's a little cute thing. And I guess... Oh, come with a stand. Sorry, I'm trying to do this. Ugh. When her head moves. I don't know what kind of outfit she's wearing. But you know what? Slay girl, slay. Yeah, I guess these little pieces. I'm gonna put this on here. This way. I'm stupid. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh yeah. I'm dumb. Don't mind me. And then I guess you put these little doohickeys on here. This little lightning bolt. This is like a little bolt for real. Okay. Alright, cool. Okay. Minecraft. I literally just watched this movie again yesterday. This movie cracked me up. I don't care what anybody says about it. I was dying laughing. Jack Black and Jason Momoa were great in this movie. How do I open this? There's not a thing. So obviously, I want Steve or Garrett or Dennis. That's who I want. There I go. Chicken jockey. That's actually awesome. You know, I wanted the other ones, but this is great. I like this too. This is actually awesome. I love this. Oh my god. I really love this. This is so cute. Oh my god, look at him. The chicken. It's got little red eyes. It's gonna eat you. Alright, and then the last one's coming up to add to my Littlest Pet Shop collections. Mind you, this isn't even all of them. I have a bunch more in my room. But I picked this one out because I don't have a giraffe or a sloth, and it's so cute. This is so adorable. Dang. Y'all, sorry, I'm rough with this. I am not gentle at all. Throw that box away. Okay. I need a little salad bowl. You know, I literally, if I can go with the food sellers. And this can also go in here because looky, whole bunch of veggies in there. Okay, so I need to untangle these fellers. Oh, it came with a little bamboo stool. Man, that's so cute. I love the giraffe. The giraffe is actually so cute. Set that right there. Look at them. Hold on, let me show you. Look at how cute she is. Stop. She is so cute. And her little blue hair and her purple eyes. Y'all, I've never seen anything cuter. I love her. She's awesome. And she shall go right there, over there. And then here is the sloth. He's so cute. I love him. He kind of reminds me of like a orangutan. I know he's a sloth, but he reminds me of one. Oops. And this, everybody, is the last thing to unbox. And I know these technically aren't surprises, but I love Littlest Pet Shops. I've been collecting them since I was literally 4 years old, so that's one of my oldest. So is those. So are those. That one's pretty old too. I have a lot of old ones, but these newer ones are cute. And I thought this little turtle. I have 3 turtles. I also have a turtle tattoo. I have 3 red-eared sliders, and they're awesome. And so obviously, I wanted a turtle. So, what did I do? I got a turtle. And you know, the bunny is cute too. The bunny is super cute. Little carrots also go in here. Oh. And a little drink. Oh, a little trophy. These are cute. bunny. I love the little heart on her ear. That's so cute. And she's pretty. She's a pretty little bunny. Oops. Well, I guess she's gonna struggle to stand up. Ugh. Oh, there's a little heart and wings. Oh, that's so cute. And the tongue's a little heart. Stop. These are so freaking cute. I love them. I cannot. They are like the best. And they have been added to my collection. Oh, wow. I love them. So this is everything at the very end all together. And I love everything that I got today. I was not disappointed. Yo, why is that cat looking at me? I was very not disappointed in everything that I got. Thank you guys for watching. That's the end of the video. And until next time, I'll see you later.